Hi, welcome to Stitch in Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie, and in September we had the Quilted Scarecrow. In October we had the Quilted Witch, and now here it is November and we have the Quilted Snowman. So this is a fun quilt. This again, like I said, starts in November. We've got this fun little snowman with his scarf and mittens riding in on this little red wagon. In the backdrop you have the trees, the Christmas trees and stars and snowflakes and things like that. Just a fun quilt. This is designed by Lori Holt. And we will be using Lori Holt fabrics, Riley Blake. In your Block of the Month package, you will receive several things. One thing I do want to say that's exciting is that we are offering this as a pre-cut program, which means Stitch in Heaven does all the measuring and cutting for you. All you have to do is sew and go. And our customers are really loving our pre-cut programs. So let's start off with the pattern. So wonderful pattern. It lays out all of your blocks that you'll be quilting, fabric, very fabric specific. So you'll have, your fabrics will match exactly what is in your pattern. With your pattern, we also have provided a schedule of monthly blocks. So you'll know each month how many blocks you'll be working on, and so you'll know how to follow in your pattern book your packages that you'll be receiving each month. Now this quilt measures 87.5 by 97.5 when completed, and as with all our Block of the Months, you'll receive all the fabric that you need for your quilt top, your borders, your binding, and we also include your backing as well. We know how much you all love coordinating backing for your quilt. So that is your pattern book. Again, here is your first month. So you have your center block fabrics, and we package them by blocks, or by sections anyway. So in your first month, you're going to have your middle prints, which I've got over here to the one side, and then you'll also have your corner prints, your background, and then this is your center print. So again, everything is pre-cut for you. In addition to your pattern and your fabrics, we also include your welcome letter. A beautifully designed welcome letter that provides you some just general information. It lets you know what day of the month it's going to bill, how many months are in the program. When you open it up, you've got a beautiful picture of your quilt, and then some informational QR codes that help you access different things that are pertinent to your Block of the Month. We have a code that allows you to update your address, subscribe to our newsletter, access the fabric keys, and then most importantly, a way to connect to the Facebook group. And we really encourage you to join that Facebook group because it's a great community where you can share your tips and tricks and pictures as you quilt this quilt with others that are also in the program. On the back, we do have our store hours and our customer service hours. So customer service team is an awesome team. They are available to answer any questions you have, any fabric needs you have. They're just a wonderful asset and will be a big help to you if you have any questions. If for some reason you were not able to get into this particular Block of the Month, please go to stitchinheaven.com and click on our Block of the Month tab. You'll see an array of quilts that we provide that we have for you for Block of the Month. And if you see one that you just really like a lot, please click that register button and get registered right away because those spots do fill up fast. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today, and enjoy quilting the Quilted Snowman. Have a wonderful day.